If you want to learn how to rotate a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to rotate your clip inside CapCut so you can fix sideways footage, create a new angle, or simply adjust the orientation of your video in just a few clicks. This is a super useful editing trick, whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to work on. If you haven't started a project yet, create a new one and add your video to the timeline. You can usually do this by clicking the import button or dragging your video file directly into the editor. Once your video is on the timeline, make sure it's the clip you want to rotate. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This is important because CapCut will only show the editing options for the clip you have highlighted. When the clip is selected, look over to the right-hand editing panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of the video adjustment tools. Now find the Basic section and open it. Inside Basic, expand the Transform options. This is where you'll see controls for things like position, scale, and rotation. To rotate your video, look for the Rotate slider. You can drag the slider left or right until your video is turned to the angle you want. If you want a precise rotation, you can also click into the Angle field and type in an exact number. For example, if your video is sideways, you can enter 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees depending on how you want it to appear. A 90-degree rotation is great for fixing clips that were recorded in the wrong orientation, while 180 degrees flips the video upside down. A 270-degree rotation is another common option for getting the correct vertical or horizontal alignment. As you make changes, watch the preview window carefully. This helps you confirm that the video looks correct and that the rotation is exactly how you want it. If the framing looks off after rotating, you may also need to adjust the scale or reposition the clip so everything stays centered and balanced on screen. Once the orientation looks good, you're done. You can now continue editing your video or export it when you're ready. That's all it takes to rotate a video in CapCut using the Basic and Transform settings. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.